Hey everyone, what's going on? We're checking out these Kexmo magnets today. These are magnets designed for your gun. They have a rubber layer on the top to protect it from any scratching. We got these magnets from the Easy Shoot Amazon page. Go over and check their team out. Just type in Easy Shoot. They got all kinds of attachments for your guns. Go over and check them out. The link for the magnets will be down in the description along with a promo code for you guys. So make sure you check the description, head on over and check them out. We will be giving one of these away, so stay tuned.
Today we're testing the Kexmo 30-pound under-the-counter gun magnet. This is a very good security device. If you were a shop owner or something, I'm assuming this is what it's utilized for.
Yep. You mount that up underneath the desk.
Yep. It comes with two attachment methods. There's a peel and stick, also two screw holes for more of a secure mounting.
So
it's upside down right now. But
we have this one right now on top that he just showed you, and then we have this bucket secured to one on the bottom. Now it says it'll hold 30 pounds. We have it the reverse way right now, so we actually have it stuck like this, and then we have string coming out of the bottom holding the bucket. So we're going to test the weight like this when the magnet would actually go like that.
yeah.
And you got screw holes to screw it in. So we're going to try to test the weight of it falling off this way.
Yep. When the bucket drops, the weight in the bucket is what it's going to hold. I think that's a very, very reasonable price.
They have 1, 2, 4, like 6 packs. They do have a pretty cool pistol laser, any type of tactical flashlight. They have it all. That is Easy Shoot on Amazon. Okay, boom. So, a milk jug full of water weighs
8 pounds.
roughly 8 pounds.
Yeah.
So, on the reverse of how this isn't even supposed to work, it holds 8 pounds. Almost 8 pounds. There's a little bit left in here. So we'll say
A bucket weighs 2 pounds.
a bucket weighs 2 pounds, so we're at 8 pounds. Okay, guys, so
Yeah, it's not the right fashion in which this is hooked up.
we did not have this right at all. We were trying to show what it would take to pull the gun off, how much force. We have now flipped the magnet around. We finished this gallon, all gallon of that water's in there, and now we have the second gallon going in. That's already a quarter of the way in.
It was on there that way, but I think maybe the strings.
Oh, is that how it was on there?
Yes.
Oh. So I said that all. A gallon and a half.
That's 12. That's
12
14
pounds.
pounds.
14.
Bucket
Oh
weighs
yeah,
two.
the bucket weighs 2.
Yeah.
So what our experiments shown is that it's plenty to hold at least any sort of pistol you have.
No doubt. That will hold my deer rifle, I bet.
Yeah, we'd be close to holding a rifle with that magnet. So they're small. Oh, where is it? Right here. You know, that's all it is. Anti-magnetic surface. The gun is clear, as you can see. Pull it off there. Huh? Yeah. So, as you guys can see, any sort of metal, and if you don't have metal, then you pop this off of here and you screw it into your cabinet or your desk.
Yeah.
And there you go. That's the pistol magnet.